Good morning everyone. We continue our lesson. See, the eastern coastal plains has two parts. Yes, we study about the eastern coastal plains. This eastern coastal plains lies from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. Okay, eastern coastal plains lies from the north side. It is a Bay of Bengal to means West Bengal to no south side. It is a Tamil Nadu. It is lies between the southern plateau and the Bay of Bengal. Okay, this eastern coastal plains has two parts. This eastern coastal plains has two parts. What are they? The northern part is called the northern circles and the southern part is called the Coromandel coast. See, the northern part is called this is the eastern coastal plains. This has a two part. The north side it is called what? The northern circles. Okay, underline that point. The north side it is called a northern. This side is called a northern circles, and the south side it is called a Malabar. The southern part is called a Coromandel coast. Okay, the northern circles and the Coromandel coast. North side it is called as northern circles and the south side it is called a Coromandel coast. Okay, so the eastern coastal plains divided into two. The north side it is called a northern circles and the south side it is called a Coromandel coast. Many rivers such as the Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and Mahanadi form a large deltas along this coast. Okay, ये लॉन्ग कोस्ट में ये नॉर्थर्न कोस्ट में द नॉर्थर्न एंड कोरोमंडल कोस्ट में द रिवर गोदावरी, कृष्णा, कावेरी and Mahanadi. These rivers are form a large deltas. Okay, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi, these rivers form a large deltas along this coast. The Chilka Lake, the largest saltwater lake in India. Underline this point. The Chilka Lake. This is the largest saltwater lake in India. Which is the largest saltwater lake in India? The Chilka Lake. The Chilka Lake is the largest saltwater lake in India. Is located along the eastern coast in the state of Odisha. This Chilka lake, this is the largest saltwater lake. This is located in the eastern coast. In which state? In Odisha. Okay, Odisha में this saltwater water lake, that is Chilka lake, is situated in Odisha. Clear? See the next paragraph. The western coastal plains is a thin strip of land that stretches from the state of Gujarat in the north to Kerala in the south. What? The next is the western coastal plains. Okay, the next one is the western coastal plains. It starts from Gujarat to Kerala. Okay, the western coastal plains start from Gujarat to Kerala. See the western coastal plains. The western coastal plains is a thin strip of land. उतना चौड़ा वाला नहीं है. It is a thin strip, narrow है. Okay, land that stretches from the state of Gujarat in the north to Kerala in the south. It is started from the north to north means Gujarat से south side Kerala तक. It stretches a narrow land. Okay, see. It falls between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea. ये Western Ghat and Arabian Sea का बीच में, Western Ghat and Arabian Sea का बीच में this Western coastal plains situated. Okay, lies. See, the Western coastal plains is divided into three parts. Yes, the Eastern coastal plains is divided into two parts. What are they? Northern circles and the Coromandel coast. But the western coast is divided in three parts. Clear? The western coastal plains is divided into three parts. What are they? See, the Konkan coast in the middle and the Malabar coast in the south. Clear? These are the Gujarat coast in the north side. It is the north. It is a north side. It is a good. This is the divided into the western coastal plains divided into three. The Gujarat coast in north, the Konkan coast in the middle, and the Malabar coast in the south side. Clear? The eastern coast is divided into two, but the western coast is divided three. At the north side, it is a north Gujarat coast. In the middle, it is a Konkan coast. In the south, it is a Malabar coast. Clear? Okay. See the next one. Underline this point. The Gulf of Kambat and the Gulf of Kutch lie in the western coastal plain. Okay. The Gulf of Kambat and the Gulf of Kutch. The Gulf of Kambat and the Gulf of Kutch lies in the western coastal plains. Clear? Okay. Underline. The western coast is narrower than the eastern coast. Oh, पहले से बोल दिया. The western coast is very narrow land. Okay. The western coast is narrower than the eastern coast. Eastern coast से भी narrow है. Which one? The western coast. The states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala are located in the western coastal plain. See, what are the states located in the western coastal plains? See the states: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. What are the states lies in the western coastal plains? First one, Gujarat at the north, and Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Okay, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. These are the states lies in the western coastal plains. Clear? Okay.